Have you ever stopped to think about how much salt you're eating every day? That extra pinch on your morning eggs, those canned soups, deli meats, or frozen dinners. They might seem harmless, but if you're over 50, that salt could silently be leading you toward a stroke. Yes, you heard that right. This video is your wake-up call, especially if you're over 40. We're diving deep into how excessive salt intake is linked to high blood pressure and strokes, and what simple changes you can make to protect yourself and your loved ones. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow health tips designed for people 40 and beyond. Let's get started. Your body changes as you age. After 50, your blood vessels become less flexible. The heart works harder. And here's where salt becomes a silent enemy. When you consume too much sodium, your body holds on to extra water. That increases your blood volume. And when there's more blood pushing through your arteries, your blood pressure rises. Over time, high blood pressure, also called the silent killer, damages artery walls and can lead directly to a stroke or heart attack. Fact: according to the CDC, nearly 80% of strokes in people over 50 are linked to high blood pressure. And the number one dietary factor that drives high blood pressure? Excess sodium. The average American adult consumes 3,400 milligrams of sodium every day. But do you know the recommended limit for older adults? Just 2,500 milligrams a day. That's less than 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt. So, most of us are eating more than double what we should be. And we're not even talking about fast food yet. Now, you might be thinking, I don't use that much salt. I don't even add it to my food. But here's the shocking part. Over 70% of the salt you eat doesn't come from your salt shaker. It comes from processed and packaged foods. Let's look at some surprising sodium offenders you might be eating every day. 1. Canned soups and broths. Just one bowl can contain 800–200 milligrams of sodium, almost your entire daily limit. 2. White bread and sandwich rolls. One slice might only have 150 milligrams, but a full sandwich with deli meat and cheese? That adds up fast. 3. Deli meats, bacon, sausage. These are sodium bombs. Even 2 slices of ham can contain over 700 milligrams of salt. 4. Cheese and salad dressings. They seem innocent, but they're packed with hidden sodium. 5. Frozen meals. Quick and easy, yes, but often loaded with 1,000 milligrams or more in just one serving. So even if you're not sprinkling salt on your food, you could still be consuming way too much. Let's break it down simply. Too much salt works your high blood pressure. High blood pressure, more pressure on artery walls. Artery damage, higher risk of stroke or heart attack. This process doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly and often without symptoms. Then, one day, something bursts. A blood clot, a vessel rupture, and suddenly, you or someone you love is in the emergency room. Or worse. This is why cutting down salt isn't about flavor. It's about survival. Here's the good news. You don't need to eliminate salt completely. You just need to get smart about where it comes from and how to manage it. Here are 5 simple ways to reduce salt starting today. 1. Read food labels carefully. Look for low sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added. Pro tip: stick to items with less than 140 milligrams per serving. 2. Cook at home more often. Restaurant and frozen foods are full of sodium. Cooking gives you full control. 3. Use salt-free seasoning. Try lemon juice, garlic, herbs, pepper, or vinegar for flavor without salt. 4. Avoid sauces and dips. Soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressings often hide hundreds of mg of sodium per tablespoon. 5. Taste before you salt. Many people habitually add salt, before even trying the food. Pause, taste, then decide. Fun fact, after just 2 to 3 weeks of lowering salt, your taste buds adjust, and food starts tasting better without all the sodium. Here's the bottom line. Stroke is not sudden. It's something we build toward or protect against every single day with our choices. If you're over 40, especially over 50, now is the time to take salt seriously. It could mean the difference between independence and disability, between life and death. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, share with someone you love over 50. And if you'd like a free guide titled 5 Easy Steps to Lower Blood Pressure Naturally After 50, just send an email to petterai666@gmail.com. We'll send it straight to your inbox, no spam, just helpful, life-saving advice. Thank you so much for watching. This channel is all about science-backed, simple health advice for adults aged 40 and above, from brain health and nutrition to sleep, exercise, and heart protection. We believe aging should be strong, not scary. Our mission is to empower you with real knowledge so you can make confident, healthy choices every single day. This channel was founded by 5 leading medical doctors and PhDs in the fields of neurology, cardiology, nutrition, sleep science, and preventive medicine, all with one goal: to bring clear, no-nonsense health advice to seniors, caregivers, and proactive adults like you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and email us at petterai6@gmail.com to receive your free PDF guide, 7 Easy Habits to Lower Stroke Risk After 50, packed with tips from our expert team. We'll see you next time. Take care of your heart, your brain, and each other. Stay strong, stay smart, stay young at heart,